find out green and healthy plant of Vasaka and Tulsi in herbal garden. Collect required quantity of Adhatoda vasica and Ocimum sanctum leaves from its plant. You can see the collected leaves. Now, thoroughly wash out both sides of leaves so that any kind of dirt or dust will wash off. Because we have to use clean and healthy leaves without adulteration for syrup preparation. Then break down leaves and put it into a mixture jar for crushing. Take out crushed leaves into a vessel and add 1 pinch of clove, black pepper, cinnamon and 3 katu churna in it. Now add 2 full glass of fresh water and put it on gas burner for preparing decoction. You have to boil and evaporate 3/4 part of the mixture to make decoction. After that, filter the decoction with proper filter paper or cloth. Here I have used cotton cloth for filtering. Filter it properly. You can see residue on the filter cloth and filtrate in the bowl. We have to use filtrate in which all medicinal properties of leaves and powder are excreted out. Take filtrate and 50% of sugar by the volume of filtrate. Pour the filtrate into the clean vessel and add the required quantity of sugar and mix well. Allow the mixture to heat and boil until the desired consistency of syrup is achieved. You can measure the consistency by pulling out the 2 to 3 drops of syrup into your thumb and first finger as 1 tar or 2 tar depending on desired viscosity. Take out the prepared syrup into a glass container or bottle and allow it to cool down. Now the syrup is ready for dispense. Thanks for watching.